welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a craft you can give to your mother on Mother's Day. So if you're going to see that, keep on watching. Yeah.
So you know how kids have whoobies? Cash.
Did you just expose me?
So basically what we are going to make is a whoobie for our mom, I guess, and we're making this small one so that she can throw it in her purse and take it wherever.
And the first thing you want to do is you want to take a shirt out of your closet that you don't want anymore.
And then you are going to take that shirt and flip it in half so that you get a nice even cut all the way across when we are cutting it. Now we are going to cut below the seam of the sleeve of the shirt.
So when you have the top part of your shirt cut off, you're going to throw that away.
So as you can see, we kind of straightened up the line above it when we cut it because it was kind of jagged before. Oh, and here we are fighting. Oh, fighting. So now we are just going to take a hot glue gun to glue the seams of the shirt together. Sorry, I just thought I had to share, but our mom took the really cropped shirt that we threw away earlier, and it was on the floor, and she put it on. And we thought it was so funny. So we kind of just had to tell you, and you can kind of see the ring light in the mirror, but it's her new shirt. Just kidding. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the hot glue gun and you are going to basically glue on the edges on the bottom of the shirt, and then you're just going to press it down so that it sticks together. So now we are going to take some fabric paint and a paintbrush, and by the way, the fabric paint that we are using is linked down below as well as the hot glue gun. So now you are going to take the fabric paint and you are going to basically take a paintbrush and dip it in there and get a lot on there, and then do a stippling motion on the hand so that you get a nice thick layer on there. And if you don't get a thick layer on there, it's going to be streaky, and you don't want streaky. And you are basically just going to do this all over your hands, and then just place your hands on the fabric and lift your hands up so that you get a nice handprint on the shirt. Forgot my words. So basically, your handprints should look like this. You can really put them anywhere, and you can do a second coat if you want to get it more opaque, but this is just how we left ours.
When we post a video, just click subscribe and hit that little bell notification to become part of our